All right, so I'm back and I'm going to be doing another ninja swipe. Okay, so I would say it is like a Sheleeart ninja swipe. It's a little bit different. I don't want to say ninja swipe and then you go off Googling ninja swipe and I think the other ninja swipe is something different. But anyway, this is, I had to call it the ninja because I just felt so ninja-y and when I was like attacking it that I've half stole somebody else's name and made it a different thing. But anyway, you'll forgive me. Hopefully it'll come out really beautiful and nobody will care what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm going to be using a couple of this little piggy pigments, a couple of tube paints. I've got a gold there. I'm just going to go for something a bit crazy. I've got some leftover paints, so instead of letting them dry up or wasting them, I'm just going to see if I can make some magic happen. Not 100% on this color combo, but it's going to be very bright, very crazy. Then I'm going to ninja it, and I've just got this vision in my mind of a beautiful, big, folded, flowing, landscapey looking, fluorescent, neon, sparkly, shiny, pearlescent, perfection masterpiece number. So that's what we're going for. Let's see if I can pull it off. So I'm going to start just like I did. I tried one just before this one, and the ninja attack wasn't fabulous, but the first swipe worked out pretty good. If you didn't see that video, this is my ninja tool. So it's a paint scraper with a big one and a little one. And the big one's going to do the initial swipe and the little one's going to ninja it. So let's get moving. Just going to pop these extra gloves on so I don't get any leaked paint in there. Kind of sick of being covered in paint non-stop, but used to it as well. Right, so now I'm just trying to think of the best way that I should do this. Wondering if I should do blue, purple, gold and pink instead of going crazy with all the colours, or should I do a big radical fluorescent one? I don't know, I can't decide. All right, I'm going to start with Sheleeart Free Flow Cobalt Turquoise Light. Okay, it was a little bit thick, so I have dropped a couple of drops of ink in there. I'll just show you which one I used. Pretty well known for pumping things up with ink. It's only a little bit darker than it was before I put it in, but I had to thin it out with some water because it was quite thick. The Sheleeart Free Flow paints can be a little bit like that. You'll make sure you shake them really, really well. And yeah, they even though they're free flow, they're meant to be thinner, they can thicken your mix up a little bit. So instead of just adding a whole bunch of water to thin it out, I like to just add a little bit of water and a bit of acrylic ink. Definitely not alcohol ink. Acrylic is the key word there. Rightio. So I'm just going to decide as I go what I'm doing here. I don't really have a plan. I think I will go for the gold. I'll just go for the gold a bit on the side, I think, there and there. I'm just gonna, this is just gonna be crazy. I don't know how this is gonna go, but anyway. Now this is this little piggy neon, which is called Techno, because yes, all our neons are to do with this little piggy going to the disco. So we have some pretty cool, funky names for these ones. This one is Techno. It's going to go straight through the middle there and hopefully give that a big burst of colour. Now I believe if I put this little piggy mermaid near that, I haven't got much of this one left. just going to create some green sparkle through there when it mixes with that yellow. Right. I should start working a little bit faster. Okay, I've actually got some fluoro green paint mixed up here, as well as the pink for my topper today. So I'm just going to whack. Oh, I've got a bit of twinkle left there. This TLP twinkle is pretty rad. So I'm just going to put the last of that there as well. That might, if I put it at the bottom of the swipe, I might get a couple of little cells pop through from underneath with that beautiful sparkliness to it. Okay, so I've got my dioxazine purple. Oh, I just set it the other way that I normally do. Showing a bit of variety. Oh dear. Now we just want to try to keep this, straight, because we don't want to drag any of that white. We don't want to drag any of this white across it. We want to only grab the last color when we're going to swipe. Otherwise it can just get really, the cells that come up from this stuff here, not that great. So I'm just going to go one. Oh gosh, let's just go a bit crazy with it. The green. I feel like this is going to get a little bit too weird, but let's just do it. Never know, I want some colour to work with here. So, without further ado, let's swipe it. Nice and even, straight across the top. Just want to get quite a lot of variety there, and those cells are gorgeous up that side, aren't they? Oh, I feel like I want to change my mind and just stretch this out on its own and make a big sheet of crazy cells. I think we'll do that. They're too good to destroy, and I know you're going to have my head if I do it. So we can always ninja it at the end if it's terrible, but I think I might try to make something a little bit. I can't keep that pink on there. I know it's cute, but it's being naughty. So it has to go. Probably still have to even get more off there. Why are you being naughty, pink? That'll do. We'll save a little bit of the pinky there. Huge amount of cells going on here. So she's a bit weird on the edge there. I don't know whether I should just get rid of that. I think I just will. It's too weird for me. I don't like it. It's giving me OCD. So we'll just make it a little bit more uniform in colour. Oh, one little bit of pink came back. A little a-hole pink spot there. God. I think there's actually a hair in it as well. Anyway. So yeah, I feel like it's a pretty cool tool, that scraper. It's made really nice, even Steven cells there. Let's get rid of these and see if we can have a look at the sparkle. What sparkle have we got going on here? Oh wow. I don't know if you can see that from where you are. But that's pretty crazy. Pretty crazy nice shimmer going on there from the TLP. This little piggy. Nice big cellulicious pour. I do think that there is something in it, just there. And I have got a couple of measles. I'll tell you what that's from. That's not from the white paint at the bottom. That is from me mixing my colours up very close to just before I did this one. And yeah, I had a couple of bubbles in my colored, one of my colored mixes. Looks like it's the purple. Anyway, that's cool. I don't know what I'm going to do with this one, but is it worthy of drying? I do feel like I want to attack it again, but I'm not going to. I'm going to leave this one and dry it. Somebody will love that out there. Rightio. I'm out of paint for now, but yeah. Catch you guys again very soon for another little play. Yay! I love cells. Yippee! Bye.